Hi, I'm divorce and family law attorney Kyle Scoresby. This video is going to be about spousal maintenance, and specifically, people often wonder, once they have a court order establishing spousal maintenance, let's say it's the man paying the woman, and then the woman, the ex-wife, starts to cohabitate with someone else. Often, the ex-husband will seek a consultation with me and ask, hey, can I stop the spousal maintenance now that my ex-wife is living with someone else? Well, the answer to that is no, unless the divorce decree specifically says that in the event of cohabitation, the spousal maintenance terminates. So if this is something that before you finalize your divorce you're wanting to address, you have to make certain that there's a provision in the divorce decree that says that in the event the recipient of the spousal maintenance begins cohabitating with someone else, that the spousal maintenance will end. A problem with that is the word cohabitation is not specific enough. You need to define cohabitation much more specifically than just using the word. So if you define it very specifically, it would give you a greater chance of terminating the maintenance in the event your ex-spouse starts cohabitating with someone. Now, I had a case, I want to give you an example here. I had a case where my client agreed to pay 10 years of spousal maintenance. But he's put in there that if the ex-wife began cohabitating with someone else, it would terminate. And he went on to define that if the cohabitation was defined as spending the night together 30 nights or more in a 60-night period, and then using some methods that I'm not going to disclose on this video, he was able to determine and prove that his ex-wife had spent the night with another person 30 nights in the last 60. We brought the case to terminate spousal maintenance. It went to a trial. We presented the evidence on the cohabitation and we won. So if you'd like to make sure that you're not obligated to pay spousal maintenance beyond when your ex-spouse starts cohabitating, let's address that before the divorce is final and make sure we get the proper language in the decree.